Hello, AP World History students. This is a work explanation video for Monday, November 9th, all the way through Friday, November 13th. Except not really, because on Thursday and Friday this week, you guys are working. So yay! One less day of classes. This week, I kind of gave you guys extra asynchronous work, but we're doing part of your packet work in class, so I hope that it balances out. And I'll go in to explain that in just a second. I wanted to first let you guys know that I am now doing office hours through our classroom Zoom link. And this is if you guys feel that you are not understanding a specific question, or if you need to work through the graphic organizers with me, or if you just kind of need accountability and want to just like have me in the background kind of cheering you on. So those days will be on Thursdays from 3:15 to 4:15, and then on Fridays from 3:30 until 4:30. You guys can schedule office hours with me outside of those times, but specifically for those times, I'll just be chilling on the Zoom link, and like I'll just be there. So you don't have to schedule those times, but if those don't work, then email me if you have a question or concern. Going back to our work this week, in class, we're going to be doing our page in the packet about Indian Ocean trade. So we've already discussed the Silk Roads and we've beaten that subject to death. So we're going on to Indian Ocean trade, which, if you remember, our Indian Ocean is over here, and we're really going to be talking about how people actually traveled using the ocean and the monsoon winds, as well as ocean currents. So we will be using IndianOceanHistory.org and going through the different maps in that era. You'll be labeling different things, talking about Marco Polo, Ibn Battuta, so on and so forth. So this is our color day activity. If you do not finish it on your color day, this will be your asynchronous work. Additionally, you guys are also going to have 2 podcasts this week, and this will actually round off the podcasts for this unit. So one of them is going to be just on Indian Ocean trade, and you are only responsible for 48. You only have to listen to episode 48. Episode 47 is here just in case you want to hear the part 1, but all you need to do is listen to episode 48. I know what you're thinking. There's no transcripts that are posted. I'm hoping to get those uploaded soon, so those should be up by Monday, Tuesday at the latest. The other podcast is about the Ottoman Empire, and we kind of have glossed over them, but they're a major powerhouse that are going to last until about World War I. So it's kind of important for us to know how they got their start, or at least what's going on for them in the 1200s. So you guys are going to listen to these podcasts and complete those Cornell notes for the podcasts. So again, Indian Ocean Trade podcast, Ottoman Empire podcast, and the Indian Ocean Trade web quest. These are the 3 things that you are responsible for doing this week. If you need it, we have our textbooks on Google Classroom and on my website that give additional context for what's going on. And they've actually wrote the textbook for AP classes. So if you've not already looked at these textbook readings, I highly recommend doing so. Also, if you have not yet done the vocabulary or the Mongols organizer, here are some resources to help you out, aka please use this. I put it up there and hopefully you guys can benefit from that. So with the Networks of Exchange textbook section, it really it breaks it down the same way I do on the whiteboard, We already covered the Silk Roads. Last week was the Mongols. This week is 2.3, exchanging the Indian Ocean. Next week is trans-Saharan trade routes. So everything that we're going to cover in this unit is broken down into here. And at the very end of the textbook chapter, you actually get to see a mock AP question from that part. So if you want to practice for not just the AP exam, but also just our unit test, I do sometimes borrow them from here. It uses primary sources and key terms or map analysis questions. So pretty good resource to use. And again, that is on my website on the same page as your work list. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we're doing, where we're going, or how we're going to do it, please feel free to email me or stop me after class. Thank you.